What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing back here with another video, and today we have this pair of Mercedes, the Mercedes Benz 500e as well as the Mercedes Benz A-Class, and I'm gonna do a quick video about this. I'm not gonna speak much today because I'm swamped with examinations. It's finals this week, so yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick run through. This A-Class that I saw, and the paint job on this, it has to be phenomenal. I gotta compliment them. And this 500e, the reason why I got this is, there's a very funny story to this actually. When I first time I saw this car in a shop, I wanted to actually get this, and this elderly man, he actually beat me to it, and he got so excited because he beat me to this exact same model. And yeah, I've always wanted to have this ever since, and I finally had this a few weeks ago. I found this at I think it was NTUC here in Singapore, and I knew I just had to get this. And the Mercedes Benz, the A-Class, I actually got that from Tom and Stephanie, which you can see, which you saw, the price tag on the card at the back. So yeah, I'm not going to speak anymore. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and yeah, feel free to let me know what you guys want to see next. But just like that, guys, just enjoy the rest of the video. And just like that, guys, we are here at the end of the video. Before we just conclude, I just want to show you the other Mercedes in my collection. So I have this Sprinter as well as this AMG race car. I did a video on the Sprinter. I will leave the link in the description below. But just like that, guys, this video is over. I hope you guys had an amazing time, because I sure had an amazing time. And just like that, guys, this video is over, and I'm out. Bye.